Hello, this is Bert Dohmen, October 29th, with Bert Dohmen's Chart Guru. Today we will look at the Dow Jones Industrials. Once again, the last time we did, the Dow Jones Industrials had formed a three-peak topping formation. Usually that is a top, and the market goes down from there. But this time the index found support at the horizontal line here, at this level, which also lends support in August and support in June. This time it turned out to be great support, and this was the low on October 9th. On that day, in our trading services, we said close out short positions. So we closed out all shorts except for JCPenney's, which we kept. And then the market did rally. On that day, it showed that the market had been sold out. The sellers were done selling, and that meant that the bulls would start taking over. And now today we saw the index actually making a new all-time closing high. This is the Dow Jones Industrials. Now above that we have the IWM, that's the black line here, and this is the Russell 2000 ETF, which represents 2,000 small cap stocks. And we can see here that it has vastly outperformed the Dow Jones Industrials, especially since May here. It just kept on going up much faster than the Dow Jones Industrials. This distance here, the spread distance, is one of the biggest spreads that we've ever seen between the small caps and the Dow Jones Industrials. Usually what happens after the spread gets that wide is that the small caps decline very sharply. And that comes during the next market decline, during which the Dow Jones Industrials and the entire stock market will go down, but the small caps will go down much faster. But that is not going to happen yet. So, a few weeks ago, we said, this was on the 16th of October, when the agreement in Washington was reached, we said we could now see one of the most speculative periods in recent memory in the market, where everybody's going to end up chasing the market, and stocks will get so overvalued that the true value investors won't even dare get into the market because nothing makes sense anymore. But those are some of the most profitable up moves, when the short sellers get absolutely killed and stocks go to levels that you couldn't have imagined. And that includes probably prefers these stocks of companies that have absolutely no earnings whatsoever. That happened in 1999 to early 2000. We rode that speculative way up very nicely, and then gave a sell signal on March 10th, which turned out to be the exact day of the top of the NASDAQ. So timing is everything. That's our motto, and it sure is in the market. And here we can see this is our special stochastic indicator. And we can see here when the two lines cross over, that's a sell signal. And here the Dow Jones Industrials did have about a 1,000-point decline over the next month. And then we got a new buy signal right here. They crossed over, and the Dow Jones Industrials went right back here and made a slightly higher high. And then it turned over again. And so that was a sell signal, and it came about right here. Perfect timing, and the market went down again. And here we got this buy signal when they crossed over, and that would have been right here at the bottom. And here's the sell again, and here's a renewed buy signal on this bottom. Now notice one thing here. This low is higher than this low, and that is what's called a bullish divergence, and that is positive, and that means that you should be buying. So this move here should go higher now. It's always possible, of course, that this is an exhaustion move, and that the Dow will reverse soon. But we don't think so. We don't seem to see the preconditions for that. In fact, for the next 2 months, the market should have a good time. But there will be some sharp corrections in between. And it is our job to catch those. And that's what we do in our trading services. One is Smart Trader for stocks, and then we have the Fearless ETF Trader for ETFs trading. This is short-term trading, and this is where we catch timing moves. Timing is everything, And that's what we do in our trading services. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming, and stay tuned. And if you want to see what we have to offer, go to domencapital.com, our website. That's DOHMEN. The link is down below, and visit us. Thank you very much.